Before we get started, the first thing that you want to do is go into your Ring app and remove the device. The white circular ring light means the count has been deactivated. That means our device has been removed. Once the device has been removed, I recommend shutting off the power first before we begin. I actually do it later, but doing it before is recommended. There is also a security screw tool. This is going to be required in order for you to remove the faceplate. It's very specific and it has a very specific design. It came with the Ring Doorbell. If you don't have one, you can pick them up on Amazon for about $5. I'll link that down below, but that's going to be needed right now to remove the security screw, which is this right over here. And then you have access to remove the faceplate. So we'll pull that off. And the two mounting screws will now be exposed. We're going to remove the top one and the bottom one. There is two small Phillips screws that are holding it in place. So now that it's been removed, there's only two wires here that we have to remove, and we're just going to disconnect them. Again, it's just being held with a Phillips screw. So this is pretty straightforward to get off. Unscrew it, remove the two wires, and that's it. So we have completely removed the Ring Doorbell. You can go ahead and package this and sell it and put in a replacement, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, please smash the like button. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.